हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस नर्सिंग नॉलेज अपडेट नर्सिंग नॉलेज यूट्यूब चैनल। आज देखेंगे एक नया वायरस के बारे में H5N1 बर्ड फ्लू। ये है क्या एक्चुअली में? ये दिस इज़ ए हाईली पैथोजेनिक वायरस हैज़ बीन द स्प्रेडिंग ग्लोबली, posing a significant threat to the birds and wildlife. What is H5P1 bird flu? This background: avian influenza, H5N1 or H5B1 bird flu is a highly pathogenic virus that primarily circulates among the birds but can infect the mammals. H5N1 originated from the virus outbreak in the China in 1996 and rapidly evolved into a highly pathogenic strain. Since 2020, it has spread across the Europe, Africa, Asia, North America, South America, and even mainland Antarctica. India experienced the first H5N1 outbreak in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Impact on animals. Wild birds, including the endangered species like California condors, have been severely affected by the H5N1. The main species affected, used to chicken, marine mammals such as the sea lion and the dolphin, have suffered mass death in regions like the Chile and Peru. Mammals like foxes, pumas, bears in North America, and the farm minks in Spain and the Finland have also been affected. So this is about the bird flu and what is bird flu, sign an infected bird, how